First we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the ortho mode and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Then type the command limits, and here the lower left corner 0, 0. So take 297, 210, zoom all. Then go to line command, take the line, select some point on the lower left corner and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and take the cursor onto the top side. Again you click on the first button of the mouse and go to offset, take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and take offset, take the distance as 210. Select object to offset, you select the horizontal line and click on and take the distance to the top side and click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly fillet between these two and similarly fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window, select this and click the text. Specify start point of text. Select this and specify height as 4 and give the rotation angle as 0 and take 129. Then take a circular lamina of 50 mm diameter, 50 mm percentage C diameter is standing with one of its point on the rim on HP, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP. The diameter at right angle to the diameter which is passing through the point on which the lamina rests, is parallel to BP. Draw its projections. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, take the layer and click on new, take XY and type XY, and then go to new, type views. Then here set the layer line weights. First layer 0, go to line weight of layer 0 and set it to 0.05 and say OK. Set the line weight of XY and set it to 0.13 and say OK. Set the line weight of views, click on this and make it 0.5, then say OK, and now you close this. Now we go for circle command. Take a circle, take specify center of the circle, take the diameter as 50. Now we go for line, take quadrant of this and quadrant of this. And now we go for array, select objects, select this, take polar, by default it is polar, take center point of array, center of this, then center of this, edit array, associate base point items, angle between, you take angle and take the angle between this will going to be 30 degrees. Enter. So then say exit. So you're going to get the array. So here this is and then here erase, you take this. So here then go to line, draw a horizontal line and take go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to mirror, select between these two, take nearest point on this and take nearest point on this, then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly fillet between these two, then go to select on this and you select on this and go to CH and go to layer, makes select as views and switch on the mode. Then go to escape. Now you go to break, select this, take first point, you take int of this and say @ then again break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @ and then go to break first point int of this and break it. Similarly, first point you take intersection point of this and say @ and break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @. Once you do that, then go to copy, select this and you copy this to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this and take end point of this, rotation angle as 45 degree, then go to line, take end point of this and draw, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, take int up, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim between these two. Similarly, line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line and take end point of this and draw a vertical line with that, say take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim between these two, then go to line, take end point of this and draw vertical, take end point of this and draw vertical line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim between these two again, then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to zoom window, then go to ellipse command, take center point of this, take int of this, specify axis endpoint of axis, take intersection point of this and then take specify distance to other axis, take intersection point of this, then go to break, select this, take intersection point of this and say @ break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @ break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @ break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @ then break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @. Similarly, break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @. Break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @. Break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @. And break first point, take intersection point of this and say @. Break first point, you take intersection point of this and say @. Similarly, now you just go to this and take this as views. Now we will go for group command. Select this entire thing and make it as a group. Then go to zoom previous. Then go to line, draw a line from this. Take line, first point, you take intersection and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, take int of this and draw this on this side. Now you copy this and select this and take it here, then go to rotate, select this and rotation angle by 90 degree, then go to zoom window, then go to move, take this, take int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to move, select this, move it wherever you want, int of this and draw this line. Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this, and go to fillet between these two. Similarly, you take this line int of this and you drag this. Similarly, you take line int of this and you drag this. So which are those two lines when you take it? So the line int of this and take perpendicular to this, and similarly line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to trim between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw the horizontal line. Take int of this and draw horizontal line. Take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to trim between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw. Then again you take line perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now you need to join this. To join this, go to line, take intersection part of this and take int of this and take int of this and take int of this. Then go to int of this, then int of this line and take int of this. Take intersection part of this, take intersection part of this, take int of this, then take int of this, and then take int of this, and then close it. Now we go for p-edit, select this line, enter, join 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Enter, then hit it. Then go to this text spline or fit curve. So this is how you will be able to get this. Then enter. Now you just select this, go to sketch, go to layer, make this layer as views, and so you're going to get this. Now once you get this, now you take break this line till here, then go to move, select this and move it here, and you click on this line and you click on this line, go to layer, make it as XY, then go to the text. So here you type capital letter X, you type capital letter Y, and this is VP and this is HP, and here you type A, you type D, you type G, you type J. Similarly here you type A dash, here you type D dash, here you type G dash, and here you type J dash. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, switch off, remove this, go to X, put the ortho mode off, take X, and here you type VP, you take VP, move it here, then HP, then here, then go to zoom previous, then go to move, zoom window, select here, then go to move, type A, then you take D, you take G, and you take J. Then here you type A dash, you take D dash, you take J dash, here you take G dash, and so zoom previous, then go to copy, select this, you copy this A dash here, then you copy this D dash here, and then D dash here, then this is J dash, copy it here, then go to copy, you take A here, and that A will come here, then you take copy D here, and that D will come here, then you copy this G here, and that G will come here, then you go to J, copy this J here, and that J will come here, then go to D text, here you copy G dash, here you copy A dash, and here you copy D dash, and here it is J dash. Then go to move, select this and move it here, then G dash, then A dash, then you copy this D dash, then you move this Y. Now we go for DDIM, select this modify, go to primary units, you make it here, this is 0, then go to text, this is 4, align with the dimension line above, offset from the origin, you take 3, symbols and arrow size 4, and go to lines, offset from the origin is 3, and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim vertical, take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this and take it as text, type percentage C 50 mm, enter. So percentage C is going to get you the diameter symbol. Then go to dim angular, select between these two. So this angle will be 45. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. And finally you go to save and come down to E-Drive, go to AutoCAD, go to lamina drawing, type P129 and save, and finally you exit